Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to turn on automatic replies on email, on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, and go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to the top corner settings, where we have the cogwheel. We want to go to account, then go to automatic replies. We want to turn on the automatic replies, but before we do that, use automatic replies to let others know you're on holiday or aren't available to respond to email. You can set your replies to start and end at a specific time, otherwise they'll continue until you turn them off. That's okay. Let's now turn on the automatic replies. We can have the replies sent during a time period if we want to, or we can have them set forever until we turn them off. So let's now edit this. Dear customer, I am currently out of the office. Please contact this email or call us on. Let's just remove that. Full stop. Kind regards, admin. We can also have this sent to individuals outside the organization. So let's now click on or highlight the automatic message. And now let's paste that here. We can now click on save. So now the automatic replies are currently turned on. If anybody were to, let's just say, send a message, they would receive that message to confirm that we are not available. Let's now click on new email and type an email to ourselves. Dear admin, this is a test email. Kind regards from the admin. Let's now click on send. We should receive an email with an automatic reply to say, dear customer, I am currently out of the office. Kind regards, admin. If we want to, let's just say, turn this off, go back to account, automatic replies, turn that off, click on save, and now the automatic replies has been turned off. Anybody sends you an email, that automatic message will not be sent to the recipient or anybody outside the organization. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.